or very characteristic shape and design of Royal Worcester Evesham Gold. Always got a little bit confused there. Evesham was made in two designs, one with gold and one with green rim, called Evesham Vale. This is very much the Evesham Gold, as you can see, with rich 24 karat gold detailing across the handles and around the rim, and it's in very fine condition. It does tend to get a little bit of wear, Evesham Gold, so you do need to pay attention to what you're buying to get the very best stuff from the vintage selections that they made. This one's got a combination design on it. They all vary somewhat, but this is a Shape 24 size 5 oval casserole. It's got hops and wheat on one side of the body and asparagus tied in a ribbon on the other. And then the handle is this lateral recessed handle design. And then we've got blackcurrants, cherries, peaches, I think, and sweet chestnuts. The inside is in very clean condition. Don't think this has ever been used. There's no sign of anything ever having been cooked in here. The marks on the base rather smudged over, not particularly well printed, but it's Shape 24 size 5 is just about discernible. Evesham made in England, stamped in green on the base there, and again size 5 on it. Not a glazed base. This is a oven to tableware design, and they usually left the bases blank or in a matte finish without a glaze. It's in fine condition. The gilt is in really nice bright condition. It's a substantial and heavy piece, weighing about 1 kilogram, I guess, from just estimating picking that piece up. So a substantial piece of Royal Worcester Evesham Gold, Shape 24 size 5 game casserole in very nice condition. Thanks for watching.